Hello. Hello, Sujata Miss. Hello, everyone. I know I couldn't make it, and last moment I had to plan this on Neha Miss' request. So here is my a very short. I won't bore you. Okay, a very short retirement speech, not exactly a speech. अपनी मनोगत जो है related to SNBP, related to all my colleagues and my dear Sujata Miss. So actually your retirement news was shocking. I don't think it was just shocking for me, it must be shocking for everyone. But anyway, as we say, when something has to begin anew, something has to end, right? So the years you have spent in SNBP, I can say it was really fruitful. So as you embark on this new journey, may your retirement be filled with joy, relaxation, and all the things you have been looking forward to. I know you must have made plans for your retirement, a lot of trip and relaxation, and not to include your recipes with your Didi. I hope you share the same recipes with all the colleagues. A short message for you and a very short prayer as well. I hope you really enjoy uh, this years of retirement, and I pray to God that you be healthy and happy for the years to come. Last but not the least, nothing but the best. That's what you always gave. You gave your best to SNBP, that no one is going to forget you. So there are far better things ahead that we ever have leave behind. So goodbye, take care, hope we keep in touch. Thank you, bye bye.
Hello, good evening everyone there. Hi Sujata Miss, how are you? Welcome to the new Retirement Citizens Club. Hi, join me now here in this. But for sure, I am telling you, it is a great loss for the institution as well as the students to not to have such a great, good teacher, guide, and mentor, of course. So now, really, um, okay. Today I remember all the wonderful things, wonderful time we both together had at SNBP. We both together enjoyed our work because of each other's company. I still remember how did we start setting up the lab for the class 10th, and then the practicals and lab, and of course paper correction, science 1 and science 2. Really we both complimented each other, and that was really a lots of fun to have. The work was never a load at SNBP, with both of we together as the partners, as well as with all our wonderful company there. I don't know how many of them are present there now. If they are there, hi Sushma, hi Paramjit ma'am, Shobha, Suvarna, and many others. Okay, don't know how many of them are present here there now. So anyway, congratulations on your wonderful standout career and best wishes for your retirement. And I hope you enjoy every moment of your life in this new phase. Hi, and do come visit my place. We'll have again the wonderful time. Okay, bye.
Sujata is the youngest and loveliest member of our family. In every field, whether education, music, art and craft, etc., she always achieved first rank. My sister is a wonderful human being. She is helpful, supportive, kind-hearted and caring for others. There is no friend than a sister, and there is no better sister than you. I love you for being my sister. At last, I would like to sing few lines for my sister. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, ला 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 ला. Thank you.
Hello everyone, how are you all? How are you, Sujata ma'am? I'm really missing this moment. Though I'm not physically present over there, but with this virtual mode, I must say I'm there with you all. Sujata ma'am, you are like my elder sister. Always you guided me, motivated me wherever it required. And just because of SLBP only we could meet, we become good friends. And I'm really blessed that I'm having friend like you, and there are a lot of memories with you and the group of our friends. I would like to share one of the incident from that. SMDP has organized one picnic in Imagica, and we all got the chance to go over there. So Shushma miss, I and you, Meera miss, we got the responsibility of the one of the group of the children to take care, and entire day we were with them. We enjoyed a lot with the children. We enjoyed all the rides, maximum rides we enjoy. And one of that Mr. India show we really like too much. And at 5 o'clock, Shushma miss said, just go and get back the children, those who are in the queue, and just make them sit in their buses allotted. And we both, yes, we can, we will just go and get the children back. And we went there. Instead of calling them back, the second thought came in our mind, both of mine, Sujata ma'am, your and mine also, that too, instead of calling them, we were in the queue with them. We have seen that show, we enjoyed the show, we came back after 20 to 25 minutes, and the way Shushma miss shouted on us, but afterwards we could manage her anger. It doesn't matter, but only thing is that I just wanted to share here, there is bit gap between your age and my age, but still I never felt that gap. Whenever you are you are there with me, you enjoyed a lot, and all that memories are there in still my heart. Definitely, Sujata ma'am, this is not the last goodbye. We are going to meet soon, and I'm going to take party from you. All the very best for your future life. Enjoy your life. Bye bye. Thank you so much.